What's happening, crypto fam? Happy Wednesday. Good afternoon and welcome back to Love for Crypto. I'm Scott. It's a pleasure to have you here. I appreciate you taking the time out to consume the content, so thank you. Today we're talking about the fintech firm behind Cardano's first stablecoin, launching bank accounts and VISA Debit Cards. Oh yeah, sounds lovely. Sounds lovely. So COTI, is set to launch bank accounts and Visa debit cards for its users. The company, which is building the very first stablecoin on the Cardano blockchain, is moving forward with new products to expand its service offerings to its clients. COTI had announced that it had partnered with Simplex to bring this project to the fore, which would enable users to operate bank accounts and debit cards on the platform. COTI has long been working on being a bridge between the finance and crypto world. It serves to marry traditional finance offerings with the cutting-edge technology that comes out of the crypto industry. The partnership with Simplex enables COTI to provide its users with crypto-friendly bank accounts and debit cards, which the users will be able to operate and spend globally. Sounds great, doesn't it? Fascinating. Understandably, there'll be people like, well, I've got a Revolut card, I don't need one of them. I've got a Coinbase card, I don't need one of them. I've got my Uphold card, I don't need one of them. It's just another choice. And it might actually suit you better than the card you're currently using. So instead of just disregarding it, it would be worth just having a little look at it. Yeah? Oh, that's hot. Damn, that was hot. So COTI brings crypto to banking. Using the COTI bank accounts and debit cards makes it easy for users to spend their crypto. The bank account provides easy conversion of the crypto to fiat, which can then be spent by the user. In addition to funding their accounts with crypto, users can also load up using SWIFT, SEPA and cards. This makes it easier for users to spend their crypto no matter where they are in the world. Interesting. The bank accounts also provide its users with IBANs, and customers can withdraw funds from their account using SEPA transfers, SWIFT and ATM withdrawals, with plans to allow users to buy and sell crypto directly from their accounts, with the Viper wallet currently in the works. Now, the accounts are available to customers who reside in the EEA area, and that is the European Economic Area, and in the UK. COTI debit cards are issued by Visa, and so the cards can be used anywhere Visa cards are accepted. COTI plans to release its debit cards in more countries as time goes on. Now, it does sound in there like they're mentioning all the legacy systems from IBAN to SEPA to all the different kinds of payments we can throw through. The one thing it does need is some kind of ILP, interledger protocol, currency asset flipping protocol. They just need it. The API, again, we've been over this in the past. And this is why some people, until new projects like this actually mirror what other projects are doing, some people are not going to see the benefit of this the same way they're already using current cards. For instance, anyone currently using an Uphold card can legitimately just send any currency to any currency on that card and spend any currency off that card, and Interledger Protocol being behind it is flipping the currencies into what they need to be and sending them to where they need to go. So, releasing Cardano's first stable coin. It was announced at the Cardano Summit, which concluded last week, that the foundation had formed a new partnership with COTI. This partnership will see the first stablecoin being created on the Cardano blockchain. Jed, silent D, I don't know. The JED, a stablecoin that utilizes smart contracts, will be developed and released by the COTI Group as the first official stablecoin on the Cardano ecosystem. JED will serve as an alternative way to pay transaction fees on the blockchain, as the first of Cardano's decentralized finance protocols are set to debut on the network soon. Using a stablecoin to carry out transactions will ensure that fee structures are transparent and more predictable for users. I believe that adding JED stablecoin to the Cardano blockchain will significantly improve how transactions are settled on the platform, said Shahafbar Jethan, CEO of the COTI Group. Shahaf, that's a good name. I like that name. The launch date is yet to be announced for the JED stablecoin, but the COTI Group will work in conjunction with the Cardano Foundation to bring this project to life on the blockchain. Damn, that brew's still boiling. So it's fascinating, it's extremely interesting, and the more the merrier. The more the merrier. The more networks that bring out accounts, bank accounts, wallets, call them what you want, that bring interoperability through different networks, different tokens, from stable coins to peg coins to native tokens to the smart contracts and the NFTs to the governance that will come down the line. The more the merrier, mate. The more the merrier. Bring it on. Bring it. Just make sure we're all connected, IOV style, and it's all interoperable. And yeah, let's fill our boots. There is a hyperlink at the beginning here, the launch bank accounts and VISA debit cards for its users. So we're going to hit that hyperlink. This is probably the source. Yeah, the source. 29th of September. We are thrilled to announce that COTI bank account and VISA debit cards are finally here. We have been working with our close partner Simplex to provide our users with COTI bank accounts and debit cards. We are happy to have successfully achieved this important milestone. So what's the advantage of bank accounts and VISA debit cards to COTI's ecosystem? Well, debit cards and bank accounts are an important component of COTI's all-encompassing financial ecosystem, providing a seamless relationship between the fiat world and the crypto world. And as a design partner of Simplex, COTI is the first to list on this program, and our community will be the first to own a branded COTI Pay debit card. So by using a crypto-friendly bank account, COTI users will be able to open a bank account in their name with an IBAN, store fiat natively in their COTI Pay wallet, and globally spend their balance at any merchant that accepts Visa cards, both online or in store. As Simplex is a principal member of Visa, these debit cards are much more sustainable than other crypto cards. Once you receive the card, you'll be able to use it for the long term. In the future, this banking program will also be part of the COTI Pay business suite offered to merchants and will greatly increase their usage volume, hence growing the rewards for COTI's stakers. What's included in the first rollout version? So the first version includes opening and owning a bank account with an IBAN, ordering COTI's Visa debit card, converting crypto to fiat and spending it globally with a COTI debit card or online or in store, activation of the card, receiving secure PIN code, checking balance, viewing transactions, withdraw funds from an ATM, SWIFT or SEPA. Excuse me. Load the account by selling crypto, SWIFT, SEPA cards. What are the plans for the next versions? Well, more features and benefits will be added to the cardholders, special plans according to loyalty and uniquely designed VIP cards. Deep integration into COTI Pay will be implemented, including a fiat account and the ability to buy-sell crypto directly from the Viper wallet bank account. The current debit card version is open for EA and UK residents and may offer a card and spend globally. That may offer a card you can spend globally. Why limiting it to European area and UK if it's a globally used card? Just roll the card out globally. I mean, it's a bit strange, that. I mean, again, it's a good thing. It's coming out. It's progression. Just interesting how it's a globally working card, but they're not rolling the card out globally yet. But the next version would be for more countries, of course. So how to use your bank account and card. If you live in the EEA and UK, you may open a COTI bank account and order a debit card. In order to open a COTI bank account, click on this link in the article. So go into the description, click the article, and then there's a coti.simplex.com. Once you fill in all the required sections, you will be transferred to the debit card page where you should fill in the delivery details. After completing the application, your new debit card will be delivered to you within 4 to 7 business days in Europe. Those who applied for the COTI debit card in the past have already received an email, a link to open a bank account and order their debit card a few hours ago. The first round includes 3,000 cards. The second round will open in a month and will hold 5,000 additional cards. And now that you own a COTI bank account, you can have a personal IBAN that allows you to transfer funds from and to any bank account in the world. Not only can you send and receive fiat, but you will also be able to store it via the COTI Pay app, as well as convert crypto to fiat and vice versa. A physical and virtual debit card can significantly increase the adoption of COTI network, as merchants who were unable to accept crypto as a method of payment can now accept it as a de facto payment option via the COTI debit card. Interesting, indeed. I think it's fantastic that we're seeing movements like that. Again, the more the merrier. The more we see that on more networks, and as long as they're all interoperable with each other and we can move almost any asset of value to anywhere in the future, it's sounding great. Sounding great. Get yourself in the description. Have a read yourself. Maybe go and open a COTI account. I know I'll be looking at it a little bit more myself. And let me know what you think in the comments. A lot of people saw crypto moving away from banking and legacy. A lot of people saw it as an alternative. And now the more and more we progress, it seems like they're just going to merge. And the general public and populace are only going to trust the banks. It's interesting. Interesting. Let me know what you think in the comments. And enjoy the rest of your day. I've got some English homework to do, so I'm going to go and do it. You know the script, guys. Invest in yourself, invest in the internet of value, live long and orderly all. Never let it go. Stake it, bake it, leave it till you make it now. Legacy wealth, baby. Generational legacy wealth. It's got to be the aim. It's got to be the aim. And happiness. Yeah. We love crypto, we love ADA, and we love the idea of COTI bank accounts. We also love you. So take care of yourself, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.